Hi, family and friend. It has been a while. I'm happy to get back to you on this Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. So I just want to talk to you about the usual thing, nothing specific or nothing out of line. I just want us to have a conversation about this time, the trying time that we all are in America and in the whole world due to the COVID-19. I just want to tell you, you have to follow the government guideline. You also have to follow the healthcare organization guideline to be safe. Also, you have to stay on your knee and pray depending on your faith. You have to practice religious or spiritual activities to help you in this time. And you have to drink a lot of water, like I always say, eat a lot of fruits, take your vitamin C, exercise, and take time to enjoy your family. I don't think we're gonna have this time again. We're gonna have during our lifetime, we're gonna have another opportunity to have a lockdown, and then have to spend time with our family. So this is a very unique time. We have to appreciate it, and instead of thinking about going back to work, we have to take the opportunity to spend time with our loved one, and that's important. And let's just make sure when we go back to work, whatever work is for us, we have used this time to prepare to be more efficient. So we have to use this time to read the book that we want to read, to listen to a podcast that we always schedule to listen to podcast that has to do with our job. So when we go back, we are more efficient, we are more brilliant. So we can use this time to discover. Also, we can use this time to discover a new hobby. I have been trying to sew for a long time, but I always say I don't have time. I have been taking the step to learn how to sew. I have been watching a lot of YouTube video. I want to start making my first mask so I can give it to the homeless or do something like that. So let's make sure we use this time to make a difference in the world, in our health, in our habit. Maybe we should take a time to drink more water. Just because we have more time, we can put water everywhere, bottle of water everywhere in the house, and then make a commitment to drink, at least 3 liters of water a day. That would be something good that we can get out of this situation. Maybe we didn't have time to write to certain loved one that we have not spoke to for a long time. We can take a time and mail a letter. That's something we have lost a habit in doing. We just text people, we call people. You can send a card or you write a letter to a loved one, and maybe that letter will stay there and they're gonna read it, and the children and grandchildren might be able to read it. So let's think about things that are outside of the box, outside of what we usually do. Let's try to do those things just to keep our sanity, okay? And just love yourself. Know that nobody's above you, nobody's below you, and nothing is personal. Everybody is on their journey. So if somebody doesn't smile at you or don't talk to you, it's not because of you. They have their own problem. I love you. You have a wonderful day, and God bless.